fall back deep in the woods. The first hint of frost is upon you. About a mile beyond the field stone wall. It's not hard to get lost if you want to. Too far from the city to see the white lights. I move in the shadows under cover of night. Too far from the highway to blow a flat tire. I stare in the ashes in fire. Now John St. Paul is a well-known man of wealth in a skyscraper palace. He likes an old Cadillac prepped for long drives. I don't like how he looks at my Alice. I work his garage with a wrench in my glove. Bring the stench of his gasoline home to my love. She swears once again she has all she desires as I stared into ashes in fire. One day late last week when I got the word the boss needs his caddy all steady, I remembered his eyes all over my wife as I carefully got my tools ready. What a terrible shame should he ever break down with me on his trail and so far from town. If his brakes were to fail, if he blew out a tire, and I stared in the ashes in fire. Now John St. Paul is a well-known man of wealth in a skyscraper palace. He likes his old Cadillac prepped for long drives. I don't like how he looks at my Alice. I don't like how he looks at my Alice.